Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. This is the first time you guys see me with my glasses. Yes, your girl wears glasses because she is half blind, literally. So introducing you guys, Noor with the glasses. As you guys could see from the title, your girl is really excited. I literally just came home from work and went to the mailbox and I ended up finding a surprise, and that is my Boxy Charm February box. I haven't opened it, so I'm kind of doing like an unboxing and giving you guys my reaction. This is going to be kind of like the deal breaker for me, if I like it or not. If not, then I will be unsubscribing, because the first box I was kind of like, ugh, if you guys watched it. And I did get the box pretty late. It is end of February, you know, and I just got my box. Therefore, I'm gonna show you guys what I received in my February box. But before I go ahead and do that, if you're new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the light family that I have here on my channel. If you guys want to unbox and reveal what I got in my February Boxy Charm box, please keep on watching. Okay, let's unbox this baby. For some reason, matching much today. I'm really excited to show you guys what I got in the box. I'm actually also very excited to see what I received in my box. I didn't get the chance to see in the comments from the questions that I had in my first video regarding the January box. I asked questions such as, does everybody receive the same items, and is it kind of like a pick and choose kind of thing? So I didn't, to be honest with you guys, I didn't get the chance to go through the comments and see what people wrote. If you guys have any information about Boxy Charm and how they work regarding products in general, please let me know in the comments down below, because I would really like to learn more about them and learn about their process. Does everybody get the same? Is it different each box? So basically, I'm going to be indicating the pricing of each product in the description box, like I did with my first video. I'm going to try my best to find the pricings as well on my phone and kind of like tell you how much they're worth, to see if it's worth it or not. If you guys missed my first video, I talked about their boxes and how much each box cost. So if you guys are wondering about that, you can check out my first video, just because I need to kind of like save time and kind of just jumping into the products that I received. Since it was February, and February is the month of love, aka Valentine's Day, hopefully there's some cute Valentine's Day stuff in here. We never know. Okay, so this is how it looks like. First, I see two products on the top, and it says treat your heart out. So is that kind of like a hint that there's some Valentine's Day stuff in here? I don't know. So the box that I subscribed to, it is the premium box, if you guys are wondering. And epic news is coming. We've got something epic in the works and cannot wait to tell you all about it. Follow us on Instagram at Boxy Charm and get excited for the biggest beauty news of the year. This is how they get me. Like I just said, this is kind of like a deal breaker for me, but with stuff like that, I'm like, should I really unsubscribe or should I stay? I hate this. I really hate this. So first thing I'm grabbing, it is the Refreshments Velvet Body Cream Unscented. Oh, honestly, I'm always looking forward for body creams since I kind of have dry skin and I do use body cream a lot. I love body butters, I love body cream. So this one here is unscented, which is perfect because I do have sensitive skin and I like unscented stuff, but I like it to be also really moisturizing. This one here says dive into rich velvet moisture for a royal glow, nourishes and restores, quick absorb, non-greasy, 24-hour hydrating, kind to skin. I love that. Oh, always vegan, paraben free, if you guys are interested. There's also sulfate free as well, formulated without gluten. That's really interesting. and nut allergies. So basically there's no gluten and there's no nuts in here if anybody's allergic to that. I don't know if I said Freshments or Refreshments, but the product is called Refreshments. Refreshments. Okay, now I got it. It took some time, but I got it. I'm like Joey from Friends. I'm not mad about this. I'm not disappointed. I like this and I love body creams, like I said. Next product, this is the Beauty Baker. I've never tried Beauty Baker before, and it's a brand that I always wanted to try. This is the Butter HydraSilk Primer, and first of all, packaging wise, it's super cute. I love it. Bakerie, Beauty Bakerie. I can't spell today, I can't read today, apparently. Oh, that's interesting. That's really an interesting kind of primer, and it's so cool. On the sides here it tells you like the tablespoons, you know. It kind of really puts it in the vibe as like baking, you know. My hair, okay, don't mind that. But yeah, ooh, it's kind of like a stick form. Now what does this do? To be honest, I just want to know, is it for like dry skin, oily skin? Apply to skin. Okay. The lightweight hydrating primer that provides your skin with smooth canvas that extends the wear of your makeup. Okay, it's really cool. I like hydrating primers. My skin is quite dry and I'm always looking into hydrating primers, so very excited about this one. Now this is covered, so I can't really see what's down there, but your girl is quite excited. This is actually a foam. Okay, there's some cute stuff this time. I'm really excited. So first product, no, this is not what it is. This is not what I see right now. This is not what I see right now. Natasha Denona. Believe it or not, you guys, this is my first Natasha Denona product. There's a lot first, and this is their Cupid eyeshadow palette. It's a 5-color eyeshadow palette. It just says Cupid eyeshadow here, and then here it says Natasha Denona, and you have the eyeshadow. So I'm quite excited to see the palette. Ooh, okay. Does this scream my name or what? Look at these shades. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial using this, but I'm really excited. I've never used a Natasha Denona palette before. Next palette I have, this is the Secret Graden. Yeah, this is definitely a Valentine's Day box, which I'm really happy about. This is the 3D Blush Glow palette from Eloise. I'm not familiar of this brand. I'm quite excited to try something new. Again, this is like new product. I'm so sure I'm spelling it wrong as well, so I'll leave the name of the brand somewhere on the screen. So they do have this on the Boxy Charm website. So let's open it and see the palette. Okay, this is so pretty. Look at the details that this palette has. It's kind of like a blush slash highlight. It's more like a blush palette more than highlight. So you have like some pinky, some peachy tones. Definitely my shades. I love this. If you guys don't know, I'm actually experimenting into more pink shades and I've been loving them. So I guess with these two I already went over worth of the box and how much it is. It's about 64 Canadian dollars for a box. And then we have, this is a liquid lipstick from Ace Beauty. I've heard so many people talk about Ace Beauty, and it's also been a brand that I've been wanting to try for a long time. Pout, Pout. Your girl can't spell today. And this is in shade Manifest. Pout Perfect liquid lipstick features a velvet matte air whipped formula that glides on easily and stays all day while leaving your lips feeling comfortable. We all love that. So let's see how, oh. Okay, they are not playing with their packaging. This is really cute and the color is like so my vibes. I love nude lipsticks. The packaging is really nice, you guys. Look at this beauty. And the color is just really nice. I'm definitely gonna give you guys a swatch. I love the applicator. It's a little sponge applicator. Ooh, and this is a very nice nude color, you guys. Look at this color. Okay, this is like, for me, nude liquid lipstick perfection. Love the packaging, love the color. It's definitely a velvet kind of feel. So let's see if this is gonna, it says matte liquid lipstick, but oh, is it? It just says liquid lipstick. Is it matte? Yeah, velvet matte air whipped. Okay, it's kind of like a velvety matte finish. So we'll see how this is gonna dry down. Then last but not least in here, this is the Ciate London, and I've never tried anything from Ciate, believe it or not. And this is the Royal Edition 24-piece eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and show you guys the colors. Cute, very colorful, I have to say that. It's a really nice palette. Look at that. Let me know again in the comments down below if you guys would like me to do a makeup tutorial using this. Colors look really nice. Their matte colors are really nice. The shimmers are super nice as well. And it has a big mirror on the top. Really, really excited. So in the premium box, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full-size products. They also have the luxe box that has 8 full-size products. And they also have their regular one, which I believe it is 5 full-size products. Like I said, I do have the premium, which is about 64 Canadian dollars. I can tell you right away that the products that I got in the February box definitely worth over 65 or 64 dollars, which is the worth of the box, which I'm really, really happy about. I'm actually really happy the fact that I got more cosmetics this time. Like, everything is cosmetics other than the body cream, but your girl is really, really happy about the February box. This is going to be kind of like a deal for me. That let's see what the March box has, and then I can decide from there. I think I'm gonna probably say this phrase in all of my BoxyCharm review slash reveal slash unboxing. So yeah, I'm really happy with what I got in this box. I'm gonna leave the pricing and the total amount of the box in the description box down below. So recap to what we got in this box this month. We got the Ciate London, the Royal Edition 24-piece eyeshadow palette. We got the Ace Beauty, the Pout Perfect liquid lipstick in Manifest. We also got the Natasha Denona Cupid eyeshadow palette. And we also got the Eloise, really sorry, Secret Graden 3D blush and glow palette. And then we also got the Bakerie, the Butter HydraSilk primer. And last but not least, we got the Refreshments Velvet Body Cream. Ouch. That is all that came in this box. I'm excited to see what March has. I'm also excited to know if this is true or false. You know, we've got something epic in works. Cannot wait to tell you all about it. Tell me all about it, BoxyCharm. I am waiting for it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing slash reveal, and hopefully you had an amazing February box as well. Whether if you are in the regular one, whether if you're premium or luxe, hopefully you got a really nice box that you are satisfied with. If you guys have any questions or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below, and I'll try my best to answer each and one of you guys. On that note, I need to go change my clothes, take off my makeup, and relax and eat something because I'm really hungry. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.